Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to update the time and date on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. Now if you are looking to update this time and date on your phone, the first thing is you are going to go into your settings, and then in the main settings we are going to scroll down to general. Now in general, scroll a little bit further where you have date and time. So you are going to tap on that. And by default, your phone automatically set the date and time based on your zone and whatever the network you are connected to. However, if you like to change that, you can turn off the set automatically, and then we can change the date if we like. So we can change it to whatever date we want here. Additionally, we can also change the time here by doing the scroll up and down time, minutes, and then PM or AM. Keep in mind when you do change this right, you can also change a time zone. So if you are in the wrong time zone, let's say I'm in the wrong time zone, I can pick one of them, maybe a different time zone that I'm in. So I'm going to be picking my time zone, and now as you can see here, the date and time can be updated based on the time zone as well, or you can manually also change it. But it is very important that you want to keep this time to be the current time, because certain services will stop working on your iPhone if the time and the date is not correct. So make sure set correctly if you are manually setting them. But ideally you want to set them automatically, as that way there is no issue you may experience. But if you do decide to update them manually, you can do it as well. So I'm going to be keeping it automatically, but you are going to change it according to your liking. And that's how would you change the date and time on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.